90% of people fail this common sense test. It looks like common sense isn't so common because according to research 90% of adults get these questions wrong, yet kids do just fine. That's because grown-ups overcomplicate things while children use their common sense and don't overthink, so follow their lead. And let's start. 1. 3 people check into a hotel room that costs $30. They each contribute $10, handing $30 to the hotel clerk. Later, the hotel clerk realizes there was a mistake, and the room should only cost $25. The hotel clerk gives $5 to the bellboy and asks him to return it to the guests. The bellboy, however, decides to keep $2 for himself and gives $1 back to each guest. Now, each guest has paid $9, a total of $27, and the bellboy has $2, making a total of $29. What happened to the missing dollar? Let's dive into this thrilling money mystery. A. The guests overpaid by $1. B. The bellboy kept the extra dollar. C. There is no missing dollar, it's a trick question. D. Cannot be determined. You've got 20 seconds to discover. Answer, C. There is no missing dollar, it's a trick question. Explanation, the $27 accounts for the room cost, $25, and the bellboys kept $2. There is no missing dollar, it's a play on words and a trick question. Number 2. There are 3 boxes, one labeled apples, another labeled oranges, and a third labeled apples and oranges. Each box is incorrectly labeled. If you can only take out and look at just one piece of fruit from one box, how can you correctly label all the boxes? A. Take a fruit from the box labeled apples and oranges. B. Take a fruit from the box labeled oranges. C. Take a fruit from the box labeled apples. D. Cannot be determined. You have 20 seconds, find out. Answer, D. Cannot be determined. Explanation, since each box is incorrectly labeled, you can deduce that none of the fruits in the boxes match their labels. Therefore, the answer cannot be determined from the information provided. Number 3. A plane crashes on the border of the United States and Canada. Where do they bury the survivors? A. United States. B. Canada. D. It depends on the nationality of the survivors. D. All of the answer are wrong. Within 20 seconds, pinpoint the solution. Answer, D. All of the answer are wrong. Explanation, this question challenges the assumption that survivors of a plane crash would be buried. Actually, survivors are not buried. Number 4. If you are running a race and pass the person in second place, what place are you in? A. First place. B. Second place. C. Third place. D. Cannot be determined. You have 20 seconds. Find out. Answer: A. Second place. Explanation: if you pass the person in second place, you take their position, putting you in second place. Number 5. A doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every half hour. How long would the pills last? A. 30 minutes. B. 1 hour. C. 1.5 hours. D. 2 hours. Discover the answer in just 20 seconds. Answer: C. 1.5 hours. Explanation: you take the first pill, wait 30 minutes to take the second, and then another 30 minutes for the third. So, it's a total of 1.5 hours. Number 6. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? A. 5 cents. B. 10 cents. C. 15 cents. D. Cannot be determined. You have 20 seconds. Find out. Answer: A. 5 cents. Explanation: let the cost of the ball be X. The bat costs $1 more than the ball, so the bat costs X plus $1. Together, they cost $1.10. Therefore, X plus $1 equals $1.10. Solving for X, the ball costs 5 cents.